Welcome to 5G certification course. 5G training courses and certifications. Presented by Tonex Training. 5G, the most powerful technology at your hand right now. The 5G push is on in the US as the commemoration of the underlying 5G rollout in the US approaches. Most onlookers feel there's more in question than any time in recent memory for transporters to work out their 5G foundations. Simply look what occurred with 5G's antecedent. The US driven the world in the appropriation of 4G networks. Thusly, the monetary advantages were gigantic. From 2011 to 2014, when 4G was propelling, employments identified with the remote industry grew 84%. Today, the industry supports 5 million occupations and contributes $500 billion to the economy every year. "5G and social changes." Other than the monetary effect, 5G is expected to help social changes and desires. The interest for information, for instance, keeps on developing as the quantity of gadgets associated with the web develops. The quantity of smartphone clients in the United States expanded from about 63 million of every 2010 to an expected 259 million by 2018. 5G industries and consumers. Industries and consumers will depend on 5G networks to control the gadgets and transmit the information that drive their day-by-day exercises. They will require networks that can give steady associations, insignificant slack occasions, expanded transmission capacity to access and offer information, and the capacity to rapidly assemble and process information. 5G certification course by Tonex Training. So, are your employees or your organization trained enough about 5G? Tonex can help. Tonex offers dozens of 5G training courses and certifications. 5G NR training, 5G new radio, NR training, 2 days. 5G training, 5G system survey training, 2 days. 5G security training, 5G wireless security training, 4 days. 5G crash course, 4 days. Next generation networks crash course, 4 days. Request more information. Visit tonex.com for course, certification and workshop detail.